Namasupercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Yes, it's Mary Poppins. Wow! Amazing! We made the magic happen. Mary Poppins goes wherever the wind takes her, just like the wind. Winds in the east, mist coming in, like something is brewing and about to begin. With Mary Poppins, everything is possible, even the impossible. After 3, lifting a leg pulls out a 1, 2, 3, lamp! We join our heels and we wiggle our fingers and our toes like the lovely leaves of a plant. It's amazing. We should never judge anything by its appearance, even carpet bags. All the way up to stand, head coming up last, to find we are standing in a sunny, jolly holiday countryside painting. We reach all the way up and now we lift up and down as we ride on the Carousel of Horses. This is so much fun. Mary shows us how to see the world from different points of view. We climb up onto the rooftops. Up we go, up we go, up we go. Up here with Mary and her friend Bert, the Chimney Sweep, we dance. Let's do our dancer pose. It's great to see the world from up here. We feel like the whole world is at our feet.